To everyone who's with us tonight, thank you for coming with us and joining us this press con. So, actually, I'm very grateful, excited, and finally back on the road. I am thankful to EVA Air and Travel Care for giving me this amazing opportunity to run the EVA Air Marathon this October 26, 2025. So for me, this is not just, para sa akin, hindi lang ito simpleng marathon, no? It's more on, it's my way of finding the joy in running again after almost 3 years focusing focusing on having a family, being a mother, and also a full-time working mom, no? So I am actually, so kanina nagpapasalamat si Miss Shine sa akin, but actually, it's me who's very thankful that she offered me this opportunity because I have been waiting for a good sign when to really start going back into running. I have been physically active, like doing some running, but not to the point of thinking of going extra mile or running again the marathon. So when she offered me early this year, January, so hindi talaga ako nag-hesitate, and I actually grabbed the yes. At first, the goal was like is to get back into running and more on the excitement, the joy of getting back into the road now. But it's more on, for me, being a mother, it's more on inspiring more women who actually been into doing their career and then suddenly, not suddenly, no, nakaplan naman talaga lahat. Having a family and at the same time fulfilling your career as a woman, as a mother, and also like getting back into your sport, the sport that made me an Olympian, the running. So after almost 3 years of being away from the road or being away from competing, so I am very excited to lace up again, to prepare for the marathon. So this time, mas special siya kasi I will be running with my family. We're gonna travel with them. Athena and my husband will be running 3 kilometers because Athena will be turning 3 years old this October, September. So the goal will be for her to run 3K by 3 years old. So good luck, anak. Ikaw yung susunod siya. No, no. No pressure. So we're gonna have memories together. It's one way for me to show Athena, to show the world. Murag pag Miss Universe na her mother can run again after I have a trophy, no, si Athena yung ultimate one of the ultimate trophy then of Mary Joy. So it's a perfect bonding for us. So habang ginagawa ko yung goal ko to finish the marathon, Athena and Dan will also be with me. Kind of cheering for me yung feeling I shared to Sir kanina na it's more on running again, but I'm fulfilling my first marathon after being a married athlete, no, a married woman. So I am aiming to run a sub 3 hours marathon again. Though it's very challenging for me because my national record was 2 hours and 43 minutes. That's my peak marathon timing. That's the national record, and it was my ticket to the Olympics, to the Rio Olympics, and still the current national record holder. So I am aiming to run a sub 3 marathons, no pressure. I am putting a pressure on myself to work with. And also, but higit sa lahat, it's more on the goal na ipakita ko sa lahat or sa mga kababaihan na we could still start again, pwedeng magsimula ulit, and kaya magsimula ulit, and we can still na kaya pa rin natin bumalik sa sports natin. So to all strong, beautiful career women out there,
So I will be your parang representative, no? So kaya natin to. We can be moms, a career women, a runners, dreamers, and yeah, kaya natin lahat actually because we are super women. And we can inspire by simply showing up, show to our children na we can still do the extra mile and go after our dreams. So it doesn't end here there. So I was actually focusing on building our family at the same time, focusing on working because I am currently the officer in charge and head of Mandawi City Sports Office. So last year actually was to share lang something aside from being a mother, no, to Athena. We actually accomplished a lot of sports activities, programs in Mandawi City last year. So we've hosted plenty of international races for the first time in the city by leading it. So we've got plenty of programs and activities, sports programs in the LG of Mandawi City. So I am very proud that I was one to lead the programs in the city. So now, given this opportunity that I'm very, very thankful with, I am ready, will be ready to run with the rest of the Philippine team to represent the Philippines again. So the feeling would be more on finding the joy of running and at the same time showing to, especially the women talaga, to empower more women who's parang nag-stop saglit ang kanilang mundo just to focus on a different side of life. But at the same time, we can still do more, we can achieve more, and yeah, represent again the Philippines in the international sporting stage. No? So, thank you, sir. Thank you, ABA Air. Thank you, Travel Care from Shine, for believing in me and for giving me this opportunity. I'm very, very grateful talaga. And yeah, so let's go, ABA Air Team Philippines Marathon. ABA Air Marathon Team Philippines, and let's run as one and let's represent Philippines with pride. Thank you.